Hello, welcome friends. Thanks for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. My name is Tim. I do Villages related content. The Villages is a 55 plus community located here in Central Florida. And I am standing here at the Seabreeze Recreational Center. It's located just off of Buena Vista Boulevard, which is right over there. And this is the site of some local recent news. They are playing beach tennis. That game is called beach tennis. They stand on a sand lot and they bat the ball over a net. And this is the location of some recent news. And that is a geological depression, aka sinkhole. You can see that it swallowed up the landscaping right there. And this is in the news because it formed, and the project-wide advisory committee budgeted $250,000 for geological depressions. And this sinkhole here is going to consume about half of that budget to fix it. The district property management team did visit this site, and they said it was caused by a 54-inch metal stormwater pipe that was deteriorated due to age. And they indicate that to prevent this from expanding, they need to fix the stormwater pipe as quickly as possible before it poses a safety threat to the residents. You can see this is a golf cart parking lot right here. And it is barricaded and cordoned off. You can see. And guess what? It's located right next to a retention pond. For those new to the channel, you know that a lot of these geological depressions, sinkholes, do form near retention ponds. They're usually caused by damaged pipes, or they're caused by hurricane flooding. You can see that needs repair. Off to the next news article, friends. I just wanted to show you that 54-inch pipe that seems to be creating the issues here. And that is it right there. You can see the pipe. You can see the top half of it has been taken off, and there is a piece of it right there laying in the water. And there's a piece of it over here as well. So those steel pipes are degrading over time. And I don't know about you, but leave in the comments below, is it building code that you're using steel pipes in retention ponds and in watery areas? It just doesn't seem right to me. It seems like you're asking for trouble. Let me know in the comments below what you think. But there is your depression, and it's starting to swallow that bush right there, and it leads down into the retention pond right there. I ran across this news article in the Property Owners Association Bulletin. It's the POA. That is a group that you can join here in the Villages. I think the administration fee is $10 or $20 per year. I am walking around here at the Seabreeze Recreation Center. And this article they wrote has to do with the growth of the villages. And the villages, they indicate, is the fastest growing community in the country. And they wonder when the growth will ever end and how they are going to handle the infrastructure of both commercial and the roads. According to the U.S. Census Bureau, the villages grew in population by 16.8% from the year 2020 to 2023. And that means more than 20,000 people were moving to the Sumter County portion of the villages. The villages, Sumter County is the 12th fastest growing county in the nation. And the demographics from the Bureau of Economics and Business Research are forecasting an additional 36% growth in population over the next 10 years. They are wondering how this growth can be sustained here in the villages. In other news, I wanted to talk a little bit about the village's Public Safety Department Dependent District. That is, the district was created by Sumter County in November of 2023. The ordinance gave the district the authority to levy and collect special assessments to construct, operate, and maintain facilities and services provided. This does not include emergency medical services or ambulance transport. And residents saw the new assessment fee on their 2024 tax bills. And I believe the fees went up from $124 a year to, I think, close to $300 a year. And I mentioned in other videos that those fees would be going up. According to the village's fire chief, Brian Twiss, we did lose some revenue from Sumter County because a portion of the funding, the municipal tax unit, was reduced to zero when outgoing Commissioner Orrin Miller voted against the measure. So there was some funding lost because of the passing of the fire department over from Sumter County to the villages. There will likely be a delay in opening fire stations number 46 and number 49. Because they'll not be able to staff them. And those fire stations are located in the southern part of the villages, I believe. This is a beautiful retention pond here at Seabreeze Recreation Center. The multimodal path, the third item on the list, is the multimodal path group. And they are talking about putting reflective markers on the multimodal paths. And they cite serious accidents happening on the multimodal paths. And there have been several accidents. People just need to learn to slow down. What are they doing here? Here's part of your maintenance fees. They're actually blowing the leaves off the path. That's part of the maintenance fees that you pay in. It pays those contractors to blow the leaves and debris off these walking paths. The fourth item on the list is the University of Florida Health Spanish Plains Hospital. That's the hospital in Spanish Springs. It is now known as the UF Health Spanish Plains Hospital. And over the years, that hospital has not had a good reputation, had very low rankings. And the University of Florida Health System took the hospital over 3 years ago. And the hospital performance is starting to get a little bit better. The director said that last March she hoped by the fall of this year that their rating would be at a letter B, B as in boy, from the healthcare rating group. And I guess they're considered to be a rating of a C as of right now, and they're trying to improve it to at least a B. And I know that that hospital in the Villages is having, or used to have, a lot of issues, not only with billing. I did bring a video to you about a month ago. But the general health care there has not been good either. Here I am walking. This is a golf course. That is the Seabreeze Recreation Center over there. Yankee Clipper, par 4 right there, friends. Thank you for liking, thank you for subscribing. I hope this video was informative. Have a great week, everyone. Take care. Looks like they're starting to repair. They got the heavy equipment out. Maybe they're trying to repair the pipe, who knows? But they are moving equipment in.